Oh, happy day! We've got an unboxing video here of the Axial Capra and do a little preview of the box. Comes in two different colors. There's this bluish green here and this red. Some detailed photos. Metal gears. Look at this 4-link. Oh my gosh. It's like a real rock crawler, but in RC form. And I did get the ready to run. This is 1/10 scale. This is actually my first hobby grade RC, and so I seen it and fell in love with it. My wife got it for me for my birthday. Pretty awesome. So let's get to it. That's what I wanted. Unboxed and ready to rock and roll. Yep, got a couple RCs back here in the background. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we are, Axial Capra. Try to get some good detailed shots here for you. What's up, dudes? And as you can see, the LED lights do work. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Light bar. Pretty sick looking. Let's look at the articulation. Pretty freaking sweet. I have taken this thing out and about. Rocks, logs, anything I can kind of come up with to run over and check out. It is a crawler, so it's not built for speed. The battery is underneath this hood here. Pulls pins out, the hood lifts up, and that's where your battery is. And I am running nickel metal batteries. This is a 1600 milliamp 6-cell. You can adjust this little battery box in here too for different size batteries. But in here, that's what I'm running in there. It's a little snug. I'll attach a couple of photos and videos in here, but going to show you some of the abilities of this thing right here. Pretty versatile. Pretty awesome rig. Here's the remote that it comes with out of the ready to run kit. You can set throttle, steering, trim, throttle normal, reverse, steering normal, reverse. You can also set the max power output 50, 75, or 100%. It does have a dig feature here that I will show you. Alright, so the way that dig works is if you normally turn, you're doing a U-turn or an obstacle, you can see you're kind of limited on your ability in turning radius, right? So to engage turn, dig, you hit this button down here on your transmitter, and it'll lock the rear diff, and so it'll only be in front wheel drive essentially. So as you can see now, I can turn a whole hell of a lot sharper than before. So that's what you do. You wouldn't use it in reverse necessarily, but you know, you come up to an obstacle and let's say, I know I'm pretty technical here, so here's my rag and I want to come around that rag there. In normal 4-wheel drive mode, like, you'd have to come around and then do a 3-point turn essentially to come around the rag. So with dig, you wouldn't necessarily have to do a 3-point turn. Let's say you come up here, you come around it, and you drag it around, and you can just come around the rag. Pretty cool. So talking about articulation, let's see what this thing will do up here against this door at about a 45-degree angle. As you can see, it'll just keep going until it flips itself over. Pretty impressive. So here I just took part of the box that had come in, kind of give you a better heads-on view of articulation ability of the Capra out of the box. We'll just creep up the side of this box here and see how much it'll go before it flips. And the rear tire is still on the ground at that angle. It's just if you ever done any kind of wheeling in a real vehicle, full drive, it's just impressive to see. And I'll come at the side here too so you can see it. Here's an awesome side angle with a shoe so you can really see how I set it up. I know it's nothing real technical, but it kind of gives you an idea. Stuck here in quarantine, COVID-19 in 2020. Oh, look at that articulation. Oh, it's just impressive. Capra down. Oh, fail. That's what I wanted. Unboxed and ready to rock and roll. Yep, got a couple of RCs back.